Hi, this video demonstrates SimpleBLE working together with some common input and output devices. On the left of the screen we have a SimpleBLE development kit, and on the right we have a mobile phone that will be used to run SimpleBLE Connect app. In the middle we have a LCD display and a relay, and also on the breadboard we have a temperature sensor. They are all connected to the SimpleBLE development kit. Links to all of these devices can be found in the video description. Now let's start with resetting the board. On the left you can now see a serial terminal that captures the output of the development kit. LCD display is showing a current room temperature measured by the temperature sensor on the breadboard. Now that the app is open, let's open a drop-down menu, scan and search for the development kit board. Once the app finds our BLE device, connect to it and select DK sensor example layout. Now in the app we can see the measured temperature, that's the middle text box, and we can toggle the relay on and off. We can also set the period for the temperature measurements. Let's set it to 5 seconds. It was by default 2 seconds. And we can now see in the terminal it's changed to 5 seconds. Let's play a bit more with the relay. You can see by this how responsive it is. Also you can check the status in the terminal. You can see that it turns off and on immediately. So finally let's play a bit with the LCD display. This is what the bottom text box is for. So I can type in some text like hello world, and when I defocus the text box you can see immediately it shows up on the LCD display. I can also change the text, so let's change it to something else like hello there. And again it will immediately show up on the display. Display gets refreshed. We can also delete all of the text. To delete it from the display, just defocus and that's it. Let's also try to change the temperature a bit. It's a bit hard with this sensor since it has a plastic enclosure around itself. But with a bit of patience we succeed and it gets changed in the app almost immediately. Now let me show you how to get the code and flash it to your development kit. So you can go to my GitHub page, which is linked in the video description. You can click on the code and click download zip. This will download the folder with the code here in the downloads. For me, for you, wherever you selected to download. So first, one important thing, we need to change the name of this folder. So we need to remove this suffix master. So just delete it and just leave it to be SimpleBLE. This is important so that our ino file can be called properly. So let's go inside. So by default there is this SimpleBLE ino here, but we don't need this one, so we can just delete this one, move to bin. This is for another example. So now we will take this SimpleBLE sensors example, copy that and paste it here in the top folder. We also need to rename it. So like this. And now we can open it. You will need an Arduino IDE for this. I already have it installed. So once opened, just make sure that your Arduino Uno is selected here. So if you don't have it here, just make sure you can find it here and select the port where it's connected. Okay. Also, what is important is these libraries. So you need to download the Liquid Crystal I2C library, DHT11 library. You can download them by going to the library manager. You can then just type liquid and you can see it here. So it's this one by Frank. Also for the DHT11 sensor. So it's this one. So you can install this one also. And you should be all set. Now you can flash this firmware to the development kit. So just press the upload. So it should compile it, no problem. And get uploaded. And that's it. You can also check with the tools here. Serial monitor. The board should be this one. It won't start for me because I don't have the sensors connected, but if you connect the sensor correctly, it should start example. It should write example started, and yeah, move on. This video focused on how to run SimpleBLE sensor example. Link to the example code is in the video description. If you want to find out more about SimpleBLE, you can visit our website SimpleBLE.com. And if you need more information about the peripheral devices used in this video, you can check the video description. If you are interested in using our SimpleBLE Connect app, you can find more information about it in the video description as well. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.